If you need to extract the square root of a number, or if you need to raise a number to a given power, you can use the square root or the power function. Square root only requires one argument and it returns the square root of the number. Power requires two values. The first is the number and the second is the power at which to raise the number. Let's see a few examples. Here I'm generating a series of numbers from 1 to 25 with a step of 3, and I'm extracting the square root, the power at 0.5, which again is the square root, the power at 4, so the fourth power of the number, and the power with -1. You can also pass negative numbers to power. Let's look at 4, for example. 4 is the original value, square root is 2. The power 0.5 is again 2 because it's the same number. The power 4 is 256, and the power -1 is 1 divided 4, which is 0.25.